Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create the sky lighting for your Blender 3D animation software. Now you can see this is an automatic lighting. If I already have this, I already created with the sky lighting. Something like this. So I'm going to show you step by step from beginning. Of course, first I'm going to close everything. I'm going to click File, New, General, and I demo step by step, just from the beginning, without anything. And you always know that if you want to render from the Blender, you have to see this. This is the total result of the rendering. If you render it, that means it is going to render something like this. If you delete the light, for example, then it will be very dark. First, I'm going to press A and delete everything. I press A, delete everything from here. I select this mode. Alright. If I import any of a 3D model, let's say I import it from my desktop. Now, you can see it is very dark, but actually, this avatar, if you are using the preview shading, you can see that actually you have the texture. But if you want to render it without adding any of the light, if no sky, there's no lights here, it will be very dark. Let's say if you add a light like this, a point light for example, then you press G. Now you can see this is a light, but for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the sky lighting without light. Just press delete to make it dark first, and then to call out the sky lighting, you need to move your mouse cursor to here until you can see a cross. Then you drag another viewport here, then you click and then click the shader editor. Under the shader editor, choose the word, then you should be able to see this too. Next, drag here out and type sky. Wait, you type sky, then you should be able to see a sky texture. Then put it here. It is going to make everything bright. If you render as a picture or render the video, it is automatically use the sky lighting. You have 4 options here, like this. Totally 3 options, right? Totally 3 options here. 3 types of the lighting. When you want to render it, actually, you can render without seeing the sky. Now you can see the sky, but before you render it, actually, you can just go to here and then scroll down under the film. You can just take transparent because you don't want to see the sky, but you still want to have the lighting. See what type of the light that you want it to be. Maybe this. You can see this lighting is quite nice. If you want to render it, just untick here to render it as a transparent for the background. However, if you still want to see the sky, it is okay, it is fine. Because in your 3D animation, sometimes you want to show the sky. It doesn't matter. Then, once you already finished setting it up, here you can just close it. Just right click and close the area. If you want to call it out again, you can just put it another new one. Just go to the shader editor and check it again under the word. All are still here. It is pretty easy. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create the skylight and the sky background by using the Blender 3.6 for your 3D animations. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you!